This is how it begins, with something so small unnoticed, but over time it grows, spreads, and overwhelms. Until the beauty is drowned, we're surrounded by plastic. It's in the air, the oceans, our food. It's never truly gone. Where does it end? This is the reality of our shores. Plastic bottles scattered across the sand. Food wrappers tangled in seaweed. Fishing nets drifting in shallow waters. This is plastic pollution in the Marshall Islands. Plastic pollution is one of the most serious environmental issues affecting our community today. Because we are surrounded by the Pacific Ocean, anything that enters the water does not simply disappear. It stays, it floats, it returns to us. Some of this waste comes from our daily lives. Single-use bottles, plastic bags, packaging. Other pieces travel thousands of miles across the ocean before washing up on our shores. No matter where it comes from, it ends up here. Plastic is not natural. It does not break down like wood or leaves. Instead, it slowly breaks into smaller pieces called microplastics. These tiny particles remain in the ocean for hundreds of years. Marine animals often mistake plastic for food. Fish, turtles, and seabirds can swallow it, causing injury or death. When marine life is harmed, our ecosystem is harmed. And when the ecosystem suffers, so do we. In the Marshall Islands, many families depend on fishing for food and income. The ocean is our supermarket, our highway, and part of our cultural identity. Pollution is a threat for our food security, public health, and our future generations. Plastic also damages coral reefs that protect our islands from strong waves and rising seas. As a low-lying nation already facing climate change, we cannot afford another environmental crisis. But this story is not only about the problem, it is about responsibility. Single-use plastic is used for minutes, but remains in our environment for centuries. Small choices, like throwing a bottle on the ground, can have long-term consequences. So, what can we do? We can reduce single-use plastics. We can bring reusable bottles and bags. We can dispose of waste properly. We can also support community cleanup efforts. We can educate others about the impact of plastic pollution. Change begins with awareness. Thank you.